single crochet only in the back loop. These are the main two loops and I am crocheting only in this loop. Single crochet, and right here I am making small crochet crutch. Video tutorial will be soon on my main YouTube channel. Perfect. We have the cord, we have the hook. Let's get started. Single crochet, starting to make the clutch. You can see how nice and soft this macrame cord is. 6 millimeters MonoMey Studio macrame cord is perfect for crocheting. This is the start of my crochet clutch. Single crochet only in the back loop. These are the main two loops and I am crocheting only in this loop. Single crochet, and right here I am making small crochet crutch. Video tutorial will be soon on my main YouTube channel. Perfect. I'm crocheting a clutch. I will be creating video tutorial how to make it. Follow my profile to see more. The final result is coming up soon. I'm in love with it. What do you think? The clutch is done. I just have to add the zipper right here to close it and it's done. To crochet it, I spent maybe 30 minutes, I would say. Yeah, it's really fast and easy to make. Perfect stitches with perfect MonoMey Studio macrame cord. You can get it online and get it to your home. Hope you like it. I can teach you how to crochet. This is the clutch that I made in 30 minutes. Yes, just in 30 minutes with macrame cord. Perfect for every woman. I just have to add a zipper right here. I will sew it in, and this is perfect clutch for every lady. Perfect clutch for every woman. I have video tutorial how to make it. I know that you know that I can teach you how to crochet, and this is the new release of my crochet tutorial. I will teach you how to crochet this easy clutch.